The book of my life. Hello, my name is Natalia Pareja. I'm 35 years old. I live in Villavicencio Meta. I married 11 years ago. I have 4 daughters. I am bachelor student in foreign languages with an emphasis in English. I'm a very keen person. I'm very happy. I like ride a bike with my family. I don't like iron clothes, and my favorite book is The Maria of Jorge Isaacs. I like Paris full of colors. The party that I like the most is my daughter's birthday party. At the party, we sing happy birthday. We had a lot of fun with the clowns. We eat chocolate birthday cake. We also eat a lot of snacks. We dress in skirts and colored shoes, and we always look beautiful. Okay. My house is very happy, but is often messy. I always cook during the week. I rarely fix my daughter's room. I wash the bathroom 3 times a week. Sometimes my older daughter washes it. We never eat breakfast without first taking good. I often clean and mop the house to keep everything in place. I prepare a delicious chicken rice, and my daughters often do the dishes, and I usually rest in the afternoon for 1 hour. At night, we have dinner, and the house must always be clean to go to sleep. In my home, we like family movies, superhero, anime, comics. I like romantic and Christian movies. With my little daughter, we watch animate series on Netflix. I watch the news in the morning to stay informed. At night, I see a novel called Pa Quererte. On weekends, we sometimes see Los Informantes and Yo José Gabriel. I listen to music in English, some from the 80s, Nirvana, Metallica, Bon Jovi, System of a Down, Linkin Park, etc. I listen to audiobooks in English for children from 5 to 10 years old. At 7 a.m., I'm always watching TV. At 7 p.m., we almost always have dinner. In winter, we must wear thick jackets, protect hands with gloves, and winter hats should cover the ears so they don't freeze. In summer, people should wear comfortable and light clothing. Glasses should be worn to protect the eyes. People should wear bathing suits when they go to the beach. In spring, people should wear long pants and t-shirts. Sweatshirts and long skirts can be worn in spring. Tennis and sportswear are worn from working. In autumn, more covered clothing is used because it is colder. Boots and pants are worn with long jackets. Woolen, while stockings are also worn with beautiful dresses. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.